previous two videos demonstrated building this engine run stand. The reason why we built it, specifically for the max feeding rods 4-barrel carburetor that they provided to us for this engine. It's come time, this is going to be going into another 67, but we need a carburetor. So Max Feeding Rods reached out to us, asked us if we needed anything for our project, and they had exactly what I needed. Now, if you need anything from Max Feeding Rods, go ahead right now and go to their website and put in the code 1194video, and you'll get 10% off at discount. So let's go ahead and jump right in and show you the carburetor. Okay, and here's the carburetor. I pulled off the paper here so you can see it exactly. Now this looks just like a quick fuel carburetor, and that's exactly what this right here is, pretty much a quick fuel carb. And here's the competition, the Brawler 650 carb from Quick Fuel. This right here is a $599 carb, and you can get the same exact carb right here from Max Feeding Rods for a little over $200, and it'll fit your bill. Now as you notice, this looks identical to a quick fuel carburetor. That's because this right here is pretty much a copy to that carb, but for a fraction of the price. Now quick fuels run for roughly $600 for a 650. This right here at Max Feeding Rods runs roughly a little over $200. But you use my discount code 1194video at checkout, you'll get 10% off one of these carburetors right here or anything on the site. Now this right here, it has an eyelid on both the bowls, so you can easily see that you got fuel in both the bowls. Now this right here is going to be going on our engine. We're going to be checking this out. If you want to pick one of these up, this is model number 4150. This is a little over $200. It's going to be a lot more bang for your buck. So now let's go ahead and get this thing on that engine and see how well it runs. Now that we have it sitting on our intake, we've got to button it down. The kit comes with all this hardware right here needed for your throttle. Both pieces here for your fuel line. It's got your piece for your throttle. It's got your springs, got your screws here for your carburetor, your bolts, everything needed to put that carburetor on your engine. So let's go ahead and we'll button her down. We're gonna get her hooked up and see this thing run. Well, we've got the carburetor on there. I don't have the throttle hooked up. I just got it thrown up to where I could just easily hit it with my hand. I've got it somewhat just thrown in there into position on my timing. But this right here is the carburetor. This is the 650. I've got it all plumbed in. My fuel pump's wired. So let's go ahead, fire it up, see how it sounds and how good this carburetor revs. Here it is. It's in the back of the Frontier. So now we'll go ahead, turn the battery on, ignition on. All right, now we wanted to be able to hear what we got to work with. It's a little bit loud, so I decided to take these headers here and put a little turn away here so that I can clear all my painted surfaces and I won't be blowing any soot on it. So now I made these headers here to run down and out the side. So now I got to modify those on the other side. Well, I got this side finished up. So as you can see, that side goes out that way. That side goes out that way. So now it's time to crank it up and see how it sounds with that new Max Feeding Rods carburetor. Go ahead, go to Max Feeding Rods, get your carburetor today. This right here is a 650. This is a dual pump carburetor, and use code 1194video, no space, and get you 10% discount. But thanks for watching, and catch me on the next video.